What is up, you guys, and welcome back to another Tuesday episode of Sandra Jessica Travis channel. Do you remember this bathroom? I hope you did, because I'm about to go through this whole video explaining what I did to redo it. I did not like this lilac purple color around the walls and the ceilings. There was no storage for us to put our stuff, and the bathroom hardware was so outdated. So stay tuned to see the entire process. Also, please excuse me sneezing. Y'all, I just got to Home Depot and I am going to buy the floating shelves. Hopefully they have the bathroom hardware that I like, this kind of style. I was looking online, didn't have any in store, or yeah, it said that it wasn't in stock in the store, but I'm gonna see anyways. So yeah, let's go inside Home Depot. By the way, it's cold as fuck, it's windy, and it snowed here in Illinois, Chicago. I'm gonna keep doing this, Chicago, because I'm not in Chicago. Okay, so if you can see me, I found the shelves. I need 2 of these. It's right there. It's a floating, clean, white shelf. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so they did not have the bathroom hardware that I liked. So I'm gonna check online at another store, but I got the shelves, baby. Yes. Thumbs up. So yes, I'm gonna check online and see how that goes. Okay, so first things first, I obviously had to remove all the existing hardware that there was and move everything out the room. I made sure to clean all the walls and the ceiling the best of my ability. So here I am just going around and taking everything off. Of course, after taking off all the hardware, I had to patch up the holes to make sure that when I go and paint, there's no holes seeping through. It was my first time patching, so please don't judge my patching abilities. I also went through and started taping off everything that I needed to get started on the ceiling first, because that's where I needed to start. So if you happen to notice that my right sock is looking a little weird and half of it is off, yeah, I don't know what to tell you about that. Honestly, I don't know what I was thinking or what the fuck I was doing. Installing all the hardware and the floating shelves. Don't judge me. I was learning a thing or two. This was my first time, and kind of guys, I was a nervous wreck. I was so scared I was gonna drill the wrong hole and everything was gonna look so fucked up. But luckily my boyfriend was in town, so I had him help me with a few installment things. We both found out that the wall that we were going to mount the floating shelves was uneven. It was not flat. So we came across that little issue. But luckily we overcame it. We got it drilled on the wall, so everything looks good.
Every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at